Hi guys, I'm Jamaica Janelle and I am going to go ahead and jump straight into the video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for BABEBOX. This is a part of the Bae Cosmetics. This is my first time trying them and I've heard some mixed reviews about it because pretty much you don't get to pick your skin complexion, you just get the boxes. So it comes with this and they're just full size. So I got some full size in here. So I'll go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is Bella Pierre Cosmetics in Peach Blossom. Let's see what it looks like because I sure am not peach. And this is what it looks like. It's not bad. So this is all together an $80 value. This is 3D facelift. So yeah, so tuck and tight. 3D facelift. Probably should get a table or something. And so this is supposed to be full size, but this actually looks like sample size to me. Okay, what is this? Babe Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. There's lip mask. Liquid eyeshadow. That's cool. So I got two eyeshadows. I was hoping this was like a lipstick, but it's a liquid eyeshadow. That's pretty cool. And then this is the Lord and Berry eyeliner, pencil eyeliner. Yeah, so this is definitely full size. This pen is full size. The serum, that might be full size. Yeah, so that's everything. It's not a bad first box. Not bad. Yeah, that's the beauty box.